Has iReader done it again? I'm going to put my arms down because no, not quite. We were thinking they were going to release a color unit in 2021. There was some murmuring on the WeChat online social media platform of iReader's account saying there's going to be maybe some color, but nothing ever came of that. But they did release something. This is the iReader Smart XS Pro. It is the latest 2021 release of an iReader product following the Smart 2. Now this one is note-taking and it is an 8-inch. Their promotional approach to this is rebuild. So they have used the same overall styling as the iReader Smart 2 in regards to using the two-tone strip on the side with the kind of asymmetrical design, kind of a ledger on one side or the other side depending on how you turn it, or top and bottom respectively. And a lot of these devices do have gyroscope abilities so they can rotate. Now this time they're going with a little bit of an Oasis slash Formatouch, and they have a 2-button setup on the right for physical page turns. It is running a decent amount of specs, but we'll get to that in a second when we head over to, yeah, you guessed it, our awesome chalkboard. But looking at it straight up, it does look like it does have a lot of features. I mean, a lot of these usually, as we found it over the years, are stuck to more of a Chinese ecosystem and a Chinese delivery of overseas, for us, content we can't really consume properly because, well, we can't understand it for the most part. But we hope to see an English language toggle. That would be awesome. Now, what they are doing is, in their promotional information, they are pitting it up against the Amazon Kindle Oasis. So we're going to head over to the chalkboard. Let's put the Amazon Kindle Oasis on the right, and we'll put the iReader Smart XS Pro right here on the left. So we have a quad core versus a dual core. This does have 1 more gig of RAM, but it still has the same 32 gigs onboard storage. It's also almost doubled in size to an 1800 milliamp battery. It does have an overall larger weight, and that's because it's an overall larger device. It's 210 grams versus 188 on the Oasis. It does have physical page turn buttons like the Oasis does. It does have a dual microphone setup. We're not sure what that's going to be for, but we would love to see. Not only does it have a larger resolution, it still retains the same density at 300 ppi, meaning that it's going to be pretty clear because this is a bigger screen. It also has 3 additional LEDs and a warm light feature. So what they're saying in their promotional material is it's better than the Kindle, buy this. But we don't know. We don't know a whole lot right now. They did send us this. They did say we can do some videos on it. We haven't received our sample yet. We are a little bit let down that it wasn't color. Seriously, we were, because some people in the comments were saying color, question mark color, and some people were saying, oh, it has to be color. And it wasn't color. So it is still 8-inch and it is still note-taking. So whether that comes with the X Pen, which is one of the best pens on the market right now, released from iReader themselves, whether it comes with a kind of normal pen like everyone's using, we don't know. But this is the first looks and first kind of information on the press material they sent us on the iReader Smart XS Pro. For GoodReader.com, this is Peter.